Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. If you've ever dreamed of merging the luxury of a supercar with the comfort of a 5-star hotel on wheels, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome might just be your fantasy come to life. Yes, you heard that right, Ferrari, the name synonymous with Italian racing heritage and high-performance sports cars, has entered the motorhome arena. And while it might sound like a wild idea at first, once you get a closer look, it makes a surprising amount of sense. At first glance, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome commands attention with its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette. Unlike the bulky RVs you're used to seeing on highways, this one looks like it was sculpted in a wind tunnel. The front fascia carries Ferrari's signature design language. Narrow, aggressive LED headlights, a vented front nose reminiscent of the SF90, and sweeping lines that run the length of the vehicle, channeling both form and function. It's not just about looks, though. These design elements aid in reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency, which is a big deal when you're hauling luxury around. Built on a lightweight carbon aluminum composite chassis, the Ferrari Motorhome stays true to the brand's obsession with weight saving. This structure ensures a solid and stable ride, even when you're navigating twisty mountain roads or coasting down a highway. Under the hood, or, more accurately, beneath the floor, you'll find a hybrid V8 powertrain that's derived from Ferrari's performance lineup. It delivers an astonishing 750 horsepower, with electric motors contributing to immediate torque and efficiency. The motorhome can accelerate from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, an absurd number for a vehicle of this size, and it tops out at an electronically limited 120 miles per hour, making it the fastest motorhome ever produced. Ferrari didn't stop at raw performance, though. The 2026 motorhome also features advanced adaptive suspension and rear-wheel steering, both of which contribute to its surprisingly nimble handling. It's equipped with carbon ceramic brakes for fade-free stopping power, and a sophisticated torque vectoring system helps maintain stability in all kinds of driving conditions. Whether you're cruising through city streets or climbing through alpine passes, this thing moves with poise. But performance and design are only half the story. Step inside, and you enter a world that feels more like a private jet than a vehicle. Ferrari partnered with top-tier Italian artisans to craft an interior that balances high-tech innovation with old-world craftsmanship. There's extensive use of carbon fiber and Alcantara, as you'd expect from Ferrari, but it's blended with sustainably sourced wood panels, brushed aluminum trims, and soft leather finishes in custom color palettes. The living area features a modular seating arrangement with motorized recliners, a retractable OLED display, and surround sound acoustics tuned by Bang & Olufsen. Every seat is heated and ventilated, of course, and the lighting system adapts to the time of day to create an ambient environment. Smart glass windows can be dimmed with a touch, giving you full privacy when needed or a panoramic view of the scenery when you want it. The kitchen, though compact, doesn't skimp on amenities. There's a hidden induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator that syncs with your mobile device, a convection oven, and even a wine chiller built into the cabinetry. Every drawer and cabinet is soft close and equipped with internal lighting. Ferrari has somehow managed to combine practicality with style, all within the limited space of a mobile setting. In the bedroom, you'll find a memory foam queen-sized bed, custom bedding stitched with Ferrari's prancing horse emblem, and climate control zones so you can sleep at the perfect temperature. The room is sound insulated, ensuring peaceful rest no matter where you're parked. There's also an automated skylight that lets you stargaze from the comfort of your bed, or close it with the touch of a button if the sun gets too intense. The bathroom is more like a spa capsule. Featuring a rainfall shower with temperature presets, an electrochromatic privacy door, and smart water usage tracking, it brings home-level luxury to the road. The materials here are all antibacterial and easy to clean, another nod to practicality amid the opulence. In terms of technology, the entire motorhome is built on Ferrari's new Rosso Connect platform. This is a seamless digital ecosystem that links your motorhome to your smartphone, smartwatch, and even voice assistants. You can control lighting, climate, security, and media systems from anywhere. There's a retractable solar array on the roof that charges an onboard battery system, providing silent, eco-friendly power when you're off the grid. The vehicle is also equipped with advanced driver assist features including adaptive cruise, 360-degree cameras, collision avoidance, and even auto parking. One particularly unique feature is the Ferrari Lounge mode, a configuration where the seating area rotates inward, the display extends into a holographic projector, and the lighting shifts to create an immersive entertainment environment. It's like a luxury cinema experience wherever you go. Of course, exclusivity is part of the Ferrari DNA, and the 2026 motorhome is no exception. Only 499 units will be produced globally, each fully customizable through Ferrari's tailor-made program. Buyers can choose from dozens of interior themes, exterior paint finishes, including classic Rosso Casa, Giallo Modena, or new matte tones, and even commission bespoke layouts if they have unique needs. The price? A cool $3.5 million, give or take a few $100,000 depending on your spec sheet. And yes, Ferrari is offering personal delivery and setup by a dedicated concierge team. So, who is this motorhome for? Realistically, it's for the ultra-wealthy who want a taste of Ferrari's DNA without compromising comfort. Think of it as a high-speed, high-style retreat on wheels, something that redefines the boundaries of what a motorhome can be. At the end of the day, the 2026 Ferrari motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. A blend of performance engineering, Italian artistry, and cutting-edge tech, all rolled into one bold package. It may not be for everyone, but it's undeniably a marvel of modern automotive design. Whether you see it as over-the-top or absolutely brilliant, one thing's for sure, Ferrari just changed the game for luxury travel.